Hello, little artists! Today we will be drawing a crab. Are you ready? Let's get started.
First, I will start with the body of the crab and I will draw a big circle in the middle of the paper. I will draw the eyes on the top of the circle. Inside, I will put dots for the pupils. On the top of the eyes, I will draw the eyebrows. Let's continue with the mouth. I will draw half circle in the middle of the body. And now it's time to put the arms. I will draw two lines close to each other for the arm. As you know, the crabs have claws, so let's draw them. The arm looks a bit like a tulip flower, don't you think so? Let's repeat the same for the other arm. Do you know that crabs communicate with each other by drumming or waving their claws? This is so interesting! Let's continue with the legs. The crabs have 8 legs, so let's draw 4 on one of the side and 4 on the other side. Other interesting fact for the crabs is that they walk sideways. But some crabs can walk forward or backwards. These creatures are so amazing. The drawing is ready. Let's color it. And the crab is ready!